Hi guys, welcome to Craft and Canvas. Today we will play an interesting doodle game, Roller Face. You have 6 numbers and 6 turns, a dice, and if you don't have a dice, don't worry, grab your phone and use a dice app to roll. So let's start. Take a sheet of paper to draw on. Then we will use this app to roll number 6. So check turn 1 and number 6. Then we draw the face shape as given. For turn 2, roll the dice again. Number 4. So turn to number 4. Spiral eyes is it, huh? It's turn 3 now. It's number 6. This is getting interesting now. Let's see how the mouth turns up. Number 3. Oh, oops, I'm checking the wrong one. Yep, that's right. Next turn. Number 4. Ooh, this doodle is getting goofy. Okay, last turn. I hope I don't get number 2 now. 5 it is. Okay, it's done now. Let's draw it with pen. Ooh, I like the way it turned up. Now you try and share the doodle face with us.